In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your lower grille on your Kia Soul. It's located in front of your car. You're going to use a 10mm socket. Take out this bolt on this side and the one on the other side. Next, we're going to take out these plastic grommets. I'm going to see if it comes out. Well, that's good. All right, a good way to get these out is put a little pressure on the bottom, underneath, and then they'll come right out. Next, you're going to do these. Okay, once you get those out, you can take this off. If your vehicle had an under tray, remove that first. And then we're going to remove this and work our way down. Some of the parts on this vehicle are missing also, so. I'm going to take this. This holds the fender cover. There's one on the other side as well. You should have a plastic tab here to remove, and one on the other side as well. Next, we're going to remove the other side. And also take this out if yours is not broken. All right, so now we're going to take out this screw. It connects the bumper to the body of the car and the wheel well. All right, so now we're going to take out this screw. You're going to pull out and then forward. Do it on the other side as well. All right. Okay. All right. So there's a little tab underneath this piece, and you're going to pull up and out. Same on this side. Pull up and out. All right, so we're going to transfer this padding to the new one. We're taking off this clip. So in order to get this clip off, I'm just going to pinch it. And then I can just pull that off. Next, we're going to take the insert out of here by pushing in those tabs as you go. Ours is pretty broken, but in order to get this out, you're going to push your tab this way and then push it out. We don't have a lot to do since it's, like I said, pretty broken. All right, so now we're going to install our new insert for our bumper. We're going to line up our tabs. You're going to want to stand up your bumper. gonna work your way all the way around. Look on the other side and make sure you have all your tabs where they belong and locked in. We're going to put our foam back in using the same clip. I'm going to push down, and using some wire cutters I'm just going to bend it back. Now that it's flat, we can push it back on and hold our foam down. And do the same to the other side, if yours is still there. So now we're going to put our bumper on, reinstall it. It's helpful to have something nearby to help hold it up. Before you start snapping in anything into place, make sure you are lined up everywhere. We're looking good. All right, so once you're lined up, you can go ahead and snap that in. Work your way to the front and put the other side in. So right here and here, there is a little thing sticking up out of the bumper frame. You're gonna make sure that your plastic is lined up with that stuff. And then we're gonna work our way to the side. Gonna have to give it a whack if it's been in an accident like ours. Otherwise it should snap in nicely. All right, so now it's time to put our plastic pieces back. Put your hooks underneath. Now we're gonna bolt it down with bolts on either side, here and here. Tighten up this side. So now we're going to put our plastic grommets in to the holes. You may have to replace some of these. Put the next 3 in. Alright, so I'm going to attach these clips. My other one's broken, but we'll do our best to fasten this bottom part. Alright, next we're going to do these. Alright, now we're going to put these in these holes. Make sure your fender liner is secure. Alright, so now we're going to put our screws to connect our bumper to the body. These are really important ones. Without these, your bumper might fall off. All right, now you got your grill on, your bumper back on. It's time to take it for a road test. Make sure it's sturdy and you don't hear any loud vibration noises.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.